Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Today we've got a beer from the Unity Brewing Company, and this is their Prinzen Köln style lager. It's coming in at 4.6% ABV, and it's classed apparently to Untapped a Kölsch. So yeah, 4.6. We've got it canned on the 2nd of March of 2020, best before the end of the 2nd of March 2021, so a year's shelf life on this one. Got 3 of these beers. I'm reviewing this on the 11th of April of 2020. Doing a bit of tasting in a minute on Zoom with my local kind of bottle share kind of group. So we'll crack this open then. Just gonna have a little taster. I'll try and do a bit of a quick review. We'll leave it like that for now. Give it a little tap if it wants to, without breaking the glass. There we go. So yeah, typical Kölsch. Light. Look at all them bubbles. It's terrible, isn't it? There we go. We still have a glass. So yeah, crystal clear, light lemony yellow colour. General carbonation, nothing crazy. Give it a swirl and a sniff. Wow, okay. Very kind of, I'd say honeydew melon. Not up to that sweetness, but it's got that kind of vibe. Really nice, oily, kind of grassy, grainy kind of aroma. Very pleasant. Slightly sweet, but yeah, nice lemon kind of like Jif almost. Give it a taste. Cheers. It's a Prinzen. It's only the second beer from Unity I've actually reviewed, so oh, that's nice. Very crisp. Oh yeah, nice zing to it. It really kind of very light. I mean, it's 4.6. That's what it says here. A crisp, clean, refreshing, top-fermented lager beer, hopped with Huell Melon. I'm probably butchering that up. Huell Melon for a bit of extra fruitiness. So I'm definitely getting a melony kind of, yeah, I'd say honey, more of a honeydew for me, but very crisp, very clean, very refreshing. That's beautiful. Lovely stuff. Not normally a beer I'd actually go out and get, a Kölsch of course. But we're doing a kind of a tasting. I think some of the people, I think they look a whole case of stuff. And then we split it about 6 or 7 ways, so we got 3 each for about, was it £11.80 or something like that, which is pretty cool. But yeah, really nice, very nice. One more taste and a rating then. That's lovely, really good. I'm going to give this beer a steady 3.75 on the Untapped scale, so that's working out about 7.5 out of 10. Very impressive. Over to Untapped then, it's had only 43 total check-ins, 43 in the last 30 days, that's a new beer. 37 ratings then, there we go, coming in at 3.76, so there you go. Yeah, very nice. These guys are out of Southampton incidentally, so yeah, check them out. That's Prinzen Cologne, I guess it's out Cologne, style lager. From Unity Brewing Company. Cool. Let me know if you've had it before, see what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.